Hey there, entrepreneurs! Ever thought about making money while you sleep? Let me introduce you to the AMZ Money Machine. It's an AI-powered software designed to help you earn commissions through Amazon Kindle Publishing, or KDP for short. So, what's the big idea here? The AMZ Money Machine uses artificial intelligence to create and find done-for-you books. You simply upload these books to Amazon KDP. When readers engage with them, they get directed to various affiliate offers, and boom, you earn commissions. Sounds like magic, right? Now let's talk numbers. The sales page claims users can make up to $547 per day, or $20 to $50 per uploaded book. Check out the testimonials, like Amelia, a single mother who supposedly achieved financial freedom using this system. But fair warning, these earnings claims aren't independently verified. Individual results will vary. The real kicker? AI automation. The system handles everything: content creation, traffic generation, and monetization. This means minimal effort on your part. It even leverages an Amazon loophole to drive free traffic to your affiliate offers. Pretty neat, huh? And the monetization options? They're not just limited to Amazon products. You can promote offers from platforms like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and Digistore24. The versatility here is a game changer. Worried about costs? Relax. The AMZ Money Machine is currently available for a one-time price of $17. You get a ton of bonuses too, like additional training, done-for-you campaigns, and access to a live event. But remember, these offers are limited time, and the peace of mind, they offer a 180-day money-back guarantee. If you don't see results, they promise to double your money back and provide personal coaching, but make sure you read the fine print on that guarantee. So who's this for? Beginners and anyone struggling to make money online. The system's designed to be super easy to use with minimal technical know-how. Alright, let's wrap this up. If you're intrigued and want to learn more, click the link in the description to check out the AMZ Money Machine. Remember, individual results will vary, and earnings claims are not typical. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you next time.